Print on demand is a growing market, so we are developing this tool on the web for the customers to be able to order their designs, configure the order, and get in a very short term what they need. There's quite a large amount of people, young designers, young brands, who are searching for the opportunity to order their designs in smaller quantities. So right now we have both the print-on-demand platform as well as the opportunity for businesses to reach us. We have been doing the print-on-demand jobs, and more businesses have started to approach us. By this I mean larger brands who needed to implement their concrete projects for fashion or interior, and the runs would be larger, so we needed a productive machine. We have chosen Kornit Presto because it gives us the opportunity to be flexible. It gives us the necessary capacity and the speed of production to cover the needs of our customers. And it's very green technology, that's why. Obviously, quality is very important to our customers. The colors are very vivid and bright. We have inline fixation, we have inline softening, which is unique. It's very easy to place the order. One of the things we are very proud of that we are allowing smaller brands to grow together with us. So we are giving them the opportunity to order short runs, then bigger runs, and in time, big runs. Our future plans are to implement the same project in the United States together with our partners. Installing Kornit Presto has allowed us to become competitive in a different market and to reach bigger customers. It opened up new opportunities for our business and covered the needs of our business.